Okay. Just me opening the box. Can you see me? You recording now?
Mm-hmm.
This is like unboxing a new product. It's going on YouTube. Like,
I need you to use
huh?
I need you to use safe boxing precautions. You clearly don't look real
Oh, I
safe.
thought this was gonna be in a bag. Let me go put this in a bag. Can you see? Okay.
Stop it, I keep going.
No, just keep going. But you gotta put so you can see. Stand up.
You ain't got enough light. All it look like is one color.
You can't see what's in it. I can't tilt it.
I can see. I got what's in there.
Move it.
I'm trying not to get on your dirty table.
Okay, that's good. I don't care about the white table. Oh, they go send me a raggedy wig. Look.
That is out in the fan frame. I hope you know.
Well, scoot back then.
You got me looking at the box.
It's a raggedy wig. How they send me a
What
raggedy
kind of wigs are you? What?
No, these are synthetic. But the ones I seen was pretty. Like, people got pretty synthetic wigs. I got a raggedy
This
one.
is a mystery box you got?
Yeah.
Where you get a mystery box from?
From
Girl,
a wholesale company. Why they send me two of the same raggedy wigs?
they may not be. They're not the same wigs.
They're the same color.
But they're not the same. That's not the same wig. Girl, that's what a mystery box is for, girl. You get everything that they return.
Don't send me another raggedy wig.
Yeah, mystery boxes like they all the same wigs, girl.
Oh, I'm a selfie. That's look like it's something.
Girl, let me buy one of these mysteries from you. Mystery
Oh, I'm gonna have
song.
to take these off. Some but you have to put them back on. Oh, finally something with color, but it's black and I don't know what.
It's real ugly, sis.
It's funny ugly stuff, but it got color. That's somebody with some dark hair, like an old person. And another one, same kind of hair. Look at it. Y'all show it.
That's what you get when you get a mystery.
Jeez.
Did you spend a lot of money on it?
No, not really. That's 10 wigs.
Well, my mystery box was
And
20
another
books,
one.
and I got like
And another one. Oh, then ain't nothing.
that's it.
Yeah, ain't nothing.